Welcome to the next part of our class. In the previous class, we explored basic questions on the passage. And for this class, we're going to read the passage again. You can read along as I read. Welcome to class. In the previous class, we explored reading this passage and answer some questions. In this class, we're going to continue this passage and also explore more questions on this passage. Let's read. Ben and the big steps. Ben is 6. He goes to a new school. The steps to his class are big. Ben looks up. The steps look very, very tall. I can't go up, says Ben. Mom holds his hand. Try one step, she says. Ben puts one foot up, then the other foot. Good, says Mom. One more. Ben goes up 2 steps, then 3 steps, then 4 steps. Ben feels happy. Happy means it feels good inside, like when he gets a hug or eats cake. His face has a big smile. I did it, he says. Ben is proud. When you're proud, you feel good about what you did. Your chest feels warm and big, like a balloon. Now, Ben goes up the big steps every day. He does not need Mom to hold his hand. Ben runs up the steps fast. He likes his new school. Ben learned that big things are not so big when you try a little bit at a time. Question. Why do you think Ben said, I can't go up when he first saw the steps? Why? Have you gotten your answer? You may have to look and read the passage again to get your answer. Why Ben thinks he can go up when he first saw the steps. Well, if you look at the sentence, it says one or two things about how Ben feels. We have, I can't go up, says Ben. I can't go up, says Ben. Then Mom says, try one step. That means Ben thinks he can't go up, but because there are so many steps in front of him. Or we can go back to the first line and say that says that Ben is 6, he goes to a new school. The steps to his class are big. Do you get your answer clearly now? So we say Ben thinks, why do you think Ben said I can't go up? I think Ben said that because the steps are big. Bravo. If your answer is close to this, or you say something like, there are so many steps in front of him, because we have, it goes up 2 steps, then 3 steps, then 4 steps. So, do you get it? Do you get it now? That means if your answer is that, your answer is still correct. You're still close to the actual answer. The next question says, how do you know Ben likes going to school now? Have you seen it? Have you got an answer? You may pause the video to find your answer. How do you know Ben likes going to school now? Well, if you say that, Ben has learned that big things are not so big when you try a little bit at a time. You're not wrong. You can say that Ben likes going to school now because he goes up the big steps every day. You're also right. So we're going to pick one answer. I know because, or you can say, I know he likes going to school now because I know because he goes up the big steps every day. Or you can say, I know because Ben has learned how to has learned how to face big things. I was thinking of a smaller word to use there. Couldn't find it easily. I hope you learned one or two things in this class. See you the next time. Stay curious.